In this video, we're diving into the Spending Tracker app, a simple tool that helps you stay on top of your finances without needing a finance degree. It's one of the most downloaded budgeting apps on Android and iOS, but is it really worth your time? Let's find out. The app's biggest strength is its simplicity. You can start tracking your income and expenses immediately. No account linking, no setup fatigue, just tap, add your amount, and categorize it. There's a neat calendar view and basic reports that help you understand where your money is going. It also supports recurring expenses and multiple budget categories, which is great if you're managing monthly bills, groceries, and savings goals. Best of all, it works offline. But here's the downside. It lacks real-time syncing between devices unless you go for the paid version, and there's no bank integration, so everything has to be added manually. That could be a deal breaker if you want automation. Some users also find the interface a bit outdated compared to newer finance apps. To wrap it up, if you want a lightweight, no-frills budget tracker that just works, Spending Tracker is solid, especially for beginners or people who like manual control. But if you want automation, modern visuals, or deep financial analytics, you might want to explore other options like YNAB or Monarch. And that would be all for today's quick review of the Spending Tracker app. Thanks for watching.